So I've been a Figma user for quite a while now, and I've been having trouble using it ever since their new UI update. I'm pretty sure a lot of Figma users out there are feeling the same way. Let me see if I can get Atom to help me with some of my troubles.
Hey, I'm Adam. How can I help you today?
Hey Atom, I need your help with Figma. I'm going to share my screen with you. Could you guide me through how to save a .fig file that I'm currently working on?
Okay, I can help with that. I see you're sharing your screen now. Could you tell me which operating system you're using, like Windows or Mac OS? I see Figma open on your screen. Are you using Windows or Mac OS?
I'm using Mac.
Okay, thanks for letting me know. Since you're on a Mac, in the Figma interface, can you click on File in the upper left corner of your screen?
Yes, I've clicked on it.
Okay, I see the drop-down menu. Now, could you please move your mouse down and click on Save Local Copy? It's in that menu.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Great. After you click Save Local Copy, a window should pop up allowing you to choose where to save the FIG file on your Mac. Did that window appear?
No, but I see a progress bar here which is downloading images.
Okay, I see the Downloading Images progress bar at the bottom. It looks like Figma is still processing. Wait until that progress bar completes. Once it's done, the window to save the file should appear. Do you see a Save Partial File option next to the progress bar?
No, but the file got downloaded, so thank you for your help.
Great, I see the file downloaded in the top right corner. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I'm good, buddy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Bye bye.